Assalamu alaikum. I am your English teacher and this is your video lesson number 1. In this video you will learn Unit 1, Unit 2 and Unit 3. In these units we will discuss about tree, golden bangle, a day at the farm. You will read the story of each unit, understand the meanings of difficult words, and also discuss exercise. Now let's start unit number 1, Anwar's tree. Let's start its reading. It is a hot day. Anwar is in his garden. He is sitting under a banana tree. It has big leaves. Anwar is counting ants. They are climbing a dead tree. Anwar is nodding his head. He is closing his eyes. Is Anwar thinking? No, he is not. Is he counting ants? No, he is not. Is he sleeping? Yes, he is. So Anwar is dreaming. He is making a present. It is for his mother. Anwar is climbing the dead tree. He is sitting on a branch. He is chopping it with an axe. Students, do you know what is the meaning of chopping? Chopping means to cut into pieces. Anwar falls down. Anwar shouts, ouch, ouch, ouch. Anwar wakes up. The ants are biting Anwar. Now he is dancing and shouting and running. Okay students, now let's start its exercise. As we read this story, so we are able to answer all these questions. Question number 1 is, where is Anwar? Anwar is in his garden. Next question is, what is Anwar counting? He is counting ants. Next question is, where are the ants? They are climbing a dead tree. Next question is, what sounds does Anwar make? He makes sounds, ouch, ouch, ouch. Last question is, what happens to Anwar? Anwar falls down and ants bite him. Okay students, now you can see that there are few pictures and you have to write the names of these pictures below them. As you can see, this is a picture of a cake, so you will write here cake. This is a picture of an X, so you will write here X. This is a picture of a present, so you will write here present. These are ants, you will write here ants. This is a picture of a woman, you will write here woman. And this is a picture of a branch, so you will write here branch. Students, our unit number 1 is complete and now we are going to start unit number 2, the lucky leaf. It is very interesting. It's all about Rahila and her golden bangle. Let's start its reading. Rahila is crying. Crying means weeping. Crying means weeping. Rahila is crying. She has lost her golden bangle. Don't cry, Rahila, says Mom. Go and play. Rahila goes outside. She sits under the wood apple tree. It is next to the wall. Rahila counts the leaves on the tree. 1, 2, 3, 4. One leaf is falling from the tree. The wind blows. It carries the leaf up into the air. The leaf is now in front of her. Rahila stands up. The wind starts again. The leaf dances up and down, left and right. It turns and turns. It spins like a top. It climbs high above the roof. What fun, says Rahila. Rahila runs after the leaf. It moves in front of her and behind her. Soon the leaf falls into a hole. It is at the side of a rose bush. Rahila picks up the leaf. She finds her golden bangle under it. Rahila laughs. She takes the bangle and the lucky leaf to show Mom. Okay students, now let's start exercise. Answer the following questions. First question is, what does Rahila lose? Her golden bangle. Next question is, where does Rahila sit? As we read in the story, she sits under the wood apple tree. She sits under the wood apple tree. The answer of this question is, she sits under the wood apple tree. Next question is, what does Rahila do? Next question is, what does Rahila do? Rahila counts the falling leaves. Rahila counts the falling leaves. Next question is, where does the leaf fall? The leaf falls into a hole at the side of a rose bush. The leaf falls into a hole at the side of a rose bush. Last question is, why does Rahila laugh? Rahila laughs because she found her golden bangle. Now let's start next question. Look at the pictures in the lesson. Write answers to the following questions. Students, you will see the pictures in the lesson and then you will give the answers of these questions. How many flowers are there on the rose bush? You will see the pictures in the lesson and then you will write here how many flowers are there on the rose bush. How many wood apples are there on the grass? How many bangles does Rahila have? How many birds are on the branch? How many pots are near the wall in the picture? Students, you will see the picture in the lesson and then you will give the answers of these questions. Let's start. Fill in the blanks. Dash is crying. You will write here Rahila. Rahila is crying. Next one is dash is falling from the tree. You will write here the leaf. The leaf is falling from the tree. Next one is the wind dash. You will write here blows. The wind blows. The leaf dances dash and down. You will write here up. Dash and right. You will write here left. The leaf dances up and down, left and right. Last one is Rahila dash up the leaf. Here you will write picks. Rahila picks up the leaf. Okay students, now unit number 2 is complete and we are going to start unit number 3 at the farm. It is very interesting. It's all about the children. Let's start its reading. It is Sunday. The children are visiting the farm. Sami and Nida are riding the horses. They are going slowly. Mariam is playing with the kittens. The cows are in the barn. They are eating grass. The chickens are looking for worms. The dog is barking at the cat. The dog is barking at the cat. The lambs are playing in the field. The farmer is driving the tractor. The tractor is going fast. Okay students, our reading is complete. Let's start exercise. Answer the following questions. Where are the children? Our first question is, where are the children? The children are visiting the farm. Next question is, who is playing with the kittens? Mariam is playing with the kittens. Next question is, what is the dog doing? The dog is barking at the cat. Next question is, why are the chickens looking for worms? The chickens are looking for worms because they are hungry. Next question is, where are the lambs? The lambs are playing in the field. The lambs are playing in the field. Last question is, what are the cows eating? They are eating grass. They are eating grass. Now let's start. Next question. Use words from the story in the blanks. First one is, Sami and Nida are dash the horses. We will write here riding. Sami and Nida are riding the horses. Next one is, Maryam is dash with the kittens. You will write here playing. Maryam is playing with the kittens. Next one is, the dog is dash at the cat, barking. The dog is barking at the cat. The tractor is dash fast. You will write here going. The tractor is going fast. Last one is, the farmer is dash the tractor. You will write here driving. The farmer is driving the tractor. Okay students, now let's start last question of this exercise. Add ing to the following action words. Students, we double the last letter of the word when we add ing, mostly when the second last letter is vowel. As you can see that in all these words, the second last letter is vowel. So, we double the last letter when we add ing, like hit, hitting, dip, dipping, put, putting, cut, cutting, fit, fitting, hope, hoping, pat, patting, sip, sipping, rub, rubbing, tap, tapping. Okay students, solve the exercise of each unit on book and do practice on rough notebook. Replay this video if you find any difficulty. Thank you.